You know that feeling, right? Staring at a giant spreadsheet, your eyes just glazing over? Well, there's a massive shift happening in the world of data, and it means we can finally stop doing that. Today, we're going to explore how new AI agents are completely changing the game. But let's be honest for a second. For most of us, getting real, actionable answers from our data is a struggle. It's slow, it's way too complicated, and a lot of the time, it's just plain frustrating. So, with all the incredible technology we have, why is this still such a common pain point? Well, the problem has a name. We can call it the data analysis bottleneck. And the issue is that the traditional process itself is the biggest obstacle. It's the wall standing between our questions and the incredibly valuable answers hidden away in our data. And when you put the old way next to the new way, the difference is just, wow, it's night and day. The old way is a slow, tangled, manual process. You need specialized experts who are juggling a bunch of complex tools, and it can take days, sometimes weeks, to get a single report. But agentic AI, that's a completely different path. We're talking a single, unified workflow that's incredibly fast, accessible to pretty much everyone, and generates insights almost instantly. So what's the solution to this bottleneck? How do we break through? Well, it's time to meet the hero of our story, the AI analyst, or what we call a data analysis agent. The easiest way to think about it is like this. Imagine you have your very own junior data analyst, ready to go 24/7. And this AI doesn't just crunch numbers. No, it reads the raw data, it cleans up all the messy parts, analyzes it deeply, and then, and this is the most important part, it explains what it found in plain English. And what it can do is seriously impressive. It can connect to almost any data source you can throw at it. It automatically handles that tedious data cleaning that nobody wants to do. It explores the data for hidden patterns, it builds charts, it runs complex statistical tests. But here's the crucial part, it doesn't stop there. It goes all the way to generating actionable insights and even recommending actual business strategies. So, how does an agent actually get from a messy spreadsheet all the way to a clear business decision? Well, it all comes down to a really logical, totally automated workflow. This is the core engine right here. It starts by loading the data, doesn't matter the source. Then it automates the most time-consuming part, all the cleaning and preparation. From there, it moves into deep exploration and analysis, creating visuals to spot the trends. And that final, critical step? It distills all that hard work into key insights and a clear report. It's the entire traditional workflow, just made completely autonomous. Okay, that all sounds great in theory, but what does it actually look like in practice? Let's make this concrete. We're going to take a simple, real-world sales data set and just feed it to the agent. And this is what you get back. It's not just a bunch of numbers, it's a story, a clear, actionable insight. It spots the trend, sales peak in Q4, especially in the East. It identifies a business lever. Product A is super sensitive to price changes. And then it provides a direct recommendation. This is the kind of output that actually drives business decisions. Now, this isn't just some hypothetical tool. This is being applied across all kinds of industries right now. So where else can you find these AI analysts at work? And how do they fit into the tools that businesses already use? I mean, just look at how versatile these agents are. In retail, they're being used for demand forecasting. In finance, for fraud detection. In healthcare, they can analyze how effective treatments are. For SaaS companies, they're an absolute game changer for predicting customer churn. The applications really do span every single industry. Now, a key question is always, do I have to throw out my existing tools? And the answer is a clear no. These agents are designed to integrate directly with the BI systems you already use, tools like Power BI and Tableau, and data warehouses like Snowflake and BigQuery. They're here to enhance, not replace. And once the analysis is done, the agent delivers the insights in whatever format you need. Need a PowerPoint for a stakeholder meeting? No problem. A PDF summary to email your team? It's done. The final product is delivered ready for you to use. So where is all of this heading? Because really, we're just at the beginning. The long-term vision is a future where business intelligence becomes truly autonomous. I mean, just imagine a world where meeting-ready reports just appear in your inbox when you need them, where the system detects problems in your business in real time and alerts you, where dashboards are just created automatically. This is the path we're on, towards a fully autonomous data insights platform that continuously learns and improves. Ultimately, it all comes down to this one single powerful idea. Because having mountains of data is useless if you can't make sense of it. The real value isn't in the data itself. It's in the insights you can pull from it. This represents a fundamental shift. We're moving away from these complex manual processes, and we're moving toward a future of analytics that is conversational, automated, and relentlessly focused on just one thing: driving decisions with clear insights. And all of this leaves us with a pretty fascinating question. As this technology evolves at a breathtaking pace, you really have to wonder, will your next data analyst even be human?